the best portable washing machine. Compact, efficient, and powerful, these mini marvels are revolutionizing the way we do laundry. Whether you're living in a small apartment, travel frequently in an RV, or simply looking to streamline your laundry routine, investing in the right portable washing machine can make all the difference. With advancements in technology and design, these compact wonders are now more capable than ever, offering features that rival their full-size counterparts. In this video, I'm going to mention 5 best portable washing machines that excel not just in their basic washing capabilities, but also dazzle with their innovation, from energy efficiency and water conservation to whisper-quiet operation and smart features that would make even a tech enthusiast's heart flutter. So, watch the full video and check the video description for more details. Number 1 is Comfee Portable Washing Machine. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers convenience and efficiency in a compact design. With 6 pre-programmed wash cycles, including normal, quick, heavy, and more. It features a spacious 1.6 cubic feet stainless steel inner tub, capable of holding up to 11 pounds of clothes. Despite its large capacity, its slim dimensions make it perfect for small spaces. What sets this washer apart is its energy-saving design, boasting an 84% reduction in energy consumption compared to similar models. Additionally, the child lock feature ensures safety, while the delay start and reloading options add convenience to your laundry routine. Number 2 is Giantex Portable Washing Machine. The Giantex Portable Washing Machine is designed for simplicity and versatility. With a twin-tub design, it allows you to wash and spin simultaneously, saving you time and effort. The washing tub can handle up to 12 pounds of laundry, while the spinner dryer has a capacity of 8 pounds. Its semi-automatic operation gives you control over wash and spin times, catering to different types of clothing. The washer's compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to move around, ideal for small living spaces. With a powerful 300-watt wash motor and 110-watt spin motor, this washer delivers efficient performance for your laundry needs. Number 3 is Black Decker Small Portable Washer. This portable washer offers impressive functionality in a compact package. It features 5 cycle selections, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, accommodating various types of laundry. The durable stainless steel tub can hold up to 0.9 cubic feet of laundry, while the top-loading transparent lid allows you to monitor the cleaning process. With auto-unbalance detection and child lock protection, this washer ensures safe and efficient operation. Its mobility features, including rollers and side handles, make it easy to transport from room to room. Number 4 is Eusuncaly Portable Washer and Dryer Combo. The Eusuncaly Portable Washer and Dryer Combo offer convenience and efficiency for your laundry needs. With a powerful motor and drain pump, it can handle large loads of laundry with ease. The washer features 10 program settings and 8 water level selections, providing flexibility for different fabric types. Its full automatic operation allows you to wash and spin dry your clothes with just one click. Safety features like adjustable feet and child lock protection ensure worry-free operation. Additionally, its energy-saving design helps reduce water and energy consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice. Number 5 is Kuppet Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine. The Kuppet Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine is designed for versatility and ease of use. With separate wash and spin tubs, you can handle 2 loads simultaneously, saving time and energy. Its built-in drain pump ensures efficient water drainage, while the timer control allows you to customize wash and spin cycles according to your needs. The simple operation panel makes it easy to use, perfect for users of all ages. With a total capacity of 26 pounds and compact dimensions, this washer is suitable for various living spaces.